scheduled streams. Now we did have a limit of 15 streams, right? We have upped that to 30 now. When you schedule a stream over here, it'll give you the option to apply the title and description that you have to use last. And when you apply that, you can edit it. So like I can just put this back in here, have all my links, have my description, and then just episode 3 and update the date. We raised the save streams to 30. So if you're doing a bunch of test streams, and I've done this to myself, so I'm telling you this because I've experienced this, and I don't want anybody else to run into this. It will at that 30 mark, it will start overriding the oldest one. So just make sure that you keep that in mind when you're doing a bunch of tests. If you're doing a stream and you know it's something that you're gonna probably want to record later, like this one, just make sure that this is toggled on over here. You can find it in your settings here, and then you'll click on settings and it'll be in your past broadcasts and recordings. We do have some new layouts, and I want to showcase that because these are pretty cool. So now, as you can see over here, we do have a few other selections that you can choose from, and I'll just click over here. These are the ones that you're probably used to, but these are nice. This one right here is one that is commonly used. This position or this position are probably one of the most common used on live streaming. Don't get dizzy, I'm spinning. This one is the one that I think is one of the most used ones on just streaming in general. That's not even just, you know, interviews of games, but this one right here, this one is on the come up, and I've seen this one a lot, and I stream personally, so I see this one used a whole lot more now, and I like it because you can zoom in, you can talk about your content over here on this side, and you can zoom in on your pretty face so people can see you and you're not all bunched down. But this one right here, this one's the winner right here. This is the MVP.